Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Sikukunda 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 4. I'm joined by Mr. Choshi himself. It's Tabs.
Steve, Grant. Fetu, she Sundowns ingene Polokwane Fetu and took 3 points and ran away with them. Went straight to Pretoria. It's like when they got there, Steve, bangene bati. Vulani Gate is Kukune. Oh, sorry. Vulani Gate Chiefs.
Yeah.
They thought we were Chiefs, man. To be honest, the way they played, like they thought we were Chiefs, man.
Wow,
the way we played today, yeah, it's embarrassing. If we be honest, it's a very embarrassing. But then again, I give the credit to the technical team for how they approached the game, and I also give credit to Coach Seema. And I'm busy hearing rumors, people saying Coach Seema is leaving the club, and everything. No, Steve, with my mind and everything, and my analysis, Seema is there to stay.
Yeah.
Seema is not going anywhere.
Yeah.
I don't think our management are such fools that they can make one mistake. They can repeat one mistake each and every time.
Yes.
I don't think our management will go against their mandate of saying the club mandate is that the club must perform better than they performed last season, which is for us right now is being at position number 3.
That's right.
And Seema has maintained that. Seema has maintained that position. He's number 3 currently, doing very well, collecting those points against those teams that we can collect points, collecting those, using those opportunities that we have.
Yes.
Also, again, still in the Nedbank Cup, which we have a chance of doing very well in that Nedbank Cup. We win against Milford, we play against Sundowns, then we get our revenge, Steve. So there's no way. Seema is not going anywhere. Just hear it from me. Seema is not going everywhere.
Yeah.
Let the howlers keep on howling. Let the howlers keep on howling while God is keep on blessing us.
Yes.
Take. We don't care about them.
Yes.
Pella, journalists, remember, journalists, they need to eat. They need to lie to us and come up with those stories in order for them to eat.
Yes.
But Harry does, Tivo, let's just go to the game. And
Mazole, he lies.
He said it, Seema is going. So let's just give him a test of time and see. He said after what we lose today, Seema is going, Tinkler is coming. We didn't say anything. We just say Seema is here to stay. We give him a test of time. We will see.
It's Mazola.
He said it yesterday, but Karadas let's go and break. Let's go into the game. Let's go into the games, Tivo. And let's try to break up Sekhukhune the way they played Karonas, Tivo. I think our team respected a lot of Sundowns. We played more of a defensive football than offensive football. Right. We were not attacking. We were just defending the whole half. Yeah. We played a 4-3-3 formation, but with a number 10 who's not a natural number 10 but a winger. Yeah. That's why you saw the likes of Abu Keleto Magalo not playing at his right position today, pushing deep. He's playing deep in defense. You look at the backs, Tibo, the whole of the players, like they're defending. You check Uvuyo Letlapa, he's pushing inside. Why pushing inside, Tibo?
I can see.
Why do we need to defend if they didn't score if they didn't score us anything? There was really no need for us to defend against Sundowns because they didn't score anything. Once we defend, Tibo, look, you put back Keleto Magalo, a person that can supply goals into the box. You put back Ketlo Otadisa, a person also who can come up with crosses to the box. On the number 10, you have a Mngube who's not good in terms of passes. Remember, when you defend, when you play a low block, you need to have, first of all, you need to have speedy players. We don't have those speedy players.
That's right.
Magalo is not a speedy player. Otadisa is not a speedy player.
Yes.
Again, you need to have that person in the defense who can cook passes. Chef was not there. We needed a person who can cook passes. Give us Umang Ulindam Tambo. Should have played Lindam Tambo because of on those transitions and those counters maybe we could have got. They were gonna be those small passes that we needed.
Yes.
But you don't have a number 10 who's creative. You play a Mngube there. A Mngube who knows to supply, not to small passes. He doesn't know those kind of things.
Yeah.
He doesn't know those kind of things.
Yeah.
So I was a little bit embarrassed by how we played defensive. We don't need to play defensively against Mamelodi Sundowns. Still, even how many teams have played a low block against Sundowns and won?
Adiopa.
There's no team. Marumo Gallants tried to play a low block.
Yeah.
They end up conceding. The only team that played very well in terms of the low block, but it was not a low block, it was that a different marking systems, was UTS Galaxy.
Yes.
They got off the game by luck.
Yes.
You don't need to defend against Sundowns, because once you defend, look at what Sundowns did. Sundowns on the paper they play a 4-3-3 formation, but look what Sundowns did when you press back. What do? They leave two players only at the back. They leave Uban Ukran Kekana and this guy Suarez.
Yes.
Mudiba going up wide. Tapelo Morena going there, aiding on the attack.
Yes.
The only player that maybe is left on the middle that is defensive is Umukwena.
Yeah.
On the other side, you have Walende and Adams, who are creative.
Yes.
That's why then you get armor crosses from Abu Mudiba. That's why you get armor crosses from Abu Adams coming into the box. Because of all their players, they outnumbered us in terms of what? In terms of attacking. We don't have any player to play our counters attack and everything. So it was just they didn't approach the game very well, and it's always with us. Each and every time we play Mamelodi Sundowns, we always play a defensive football. We really don't need to play a defensive football.
Yeah.
Sundowns is when you play defensive football, you allow them to play the ball. Once you allow them to play the ball, what do? They come into your box. They want you to make mistakes. That's why you saw early in the minutes there were some reckless tackles by Skukuni Magalo tackling other players unnecessarily. Atonza's keeper Tapelo Morena unnecessarily. Violet also Faga shin guards unnecessarily. That's why you saw those kind of, because they want those kind of things for you to create ama penalties. But anyways, I don't think we respected Sundowns, to be honest with you. We really respected Sundowns a lot. But one thing I'm impressed with is also our goalkeeper Baldi Sangare. I think that guy has played very well today. Has really played very well in terms of Kokomarago, defended those goals that were coming in. I remember there was a shot by, I don't know if Umrembola or Ribeiro that came in. He touched the ball, the ball gone outside. So he really played very well. If it was not him, I think Steve could have conceded almost 5-0 and everything, Steve.
Could have been worse.
But could have been worse. But anyways, we lost. We accept, and also when we lose, we are also not going to make noise. But I'm really disgusted, or it's a disgrace to see people who are fighting for relegation laughing at us.
Who's that?
People who have a long walk to maybe 30 points laughing at us.
Who's
somewhere there in the relegations. Guys, Chiefs, this is not your conversation. Top 3, anything that happened in top 3 is not your conversation. Why not just go and talk to your peers, Abo Magezi, Abo Mamazulu, there in the relegation?
Yeah.
Why laughing at us? It's not like laughing at us or us losing will take it. Nothing changed today on the league. Only what changed is just the numbers. Position are still the same.
Yeah, sure.
We are still number 3, cruising nicely, and we don't care about anyone, and we are way better than them.
Yes.
They are down there. Against one thing that I'm impressed with our team, and that's why I give credit to management. We played better. They showed us we are better than Orlando Pirates. Remember, Pirates against Sundowns, they already considered 2 goals in the 10 minutes.
Yes.
So for us not conceding those 10 goals in those one goal in the 10 minutes, that means we played very, very, very better than them.
It's an achievement.
It's a big achievement, Steve. Big achievement. Abanye bafile ama 4-1. Tina, at least we came. We scored another one.
Chiefs are leveling as Kukuni.
It's even I'm even disappointed to hear such question from you, Steve. Level Arona. We are number 3. They are number 8. They are fighting for relegation. They are contenders of relegation. Rona, we are contenders of what? The league. Rona, we are not in the league to add numbers. Bona, they are in the league to add numbers and donate points.
That's right.
Secondly, Rona, we are fighting for KEF Sports.
Yeah.
What are they fighting for? Relegation and what? Top 8.
Yes.
Rona, we are not in the level. We are still disrespect to even think about we are in the same level as Chiefs.
Alda.
Oh, Radam Fitu. Radam Fitu. Like we have 31 points. They have how many? 25. What's the difference? 6. We're 6 ways better than them, Steve.
Yeah.
Very far.
Yeah.
Very far.
Yeah.
Even Bona, I know the only way this week they might not concede many goals is only if they abandon the game. Remember the rules of football. When you abandon the game, they give if Chiefs abandon this game, they will give Sundowns 3.
Yeah.
Whenever 3-0. That's the only way they will concede less goals.
Yes.
Because if they go to the game, trust me. Trust me.
Chiefs are sharp.
Like I want 4-5 reasons.
Chiefs are
6-0.
Damn.
You think Chiefs can win against Sundowns? Kukuni Palejo, man. Every respect to us, Steve.
Chiefs is a big team.
Big, but not the best. It's quality over quantity. All teams, Steve. You are pushing me to talk bad about them. I don't wanna entertain them too much.
Good trip.
I don't want. Like it's even Bramvin disappointed of talking about them, and like they're not even in the conversation. That's why I guess, Steve.
Yeah.
That's why I guess.
Man of the match.
Well, man of the match here, Mr. Tivo, I'll give it to. I have two players that I saw they played very well. Mrembola, I think Mrembola played very well. One of the best players at Mamelodi Sundowns, silent killer. You won't see him during the game, but just know wherever he is, he's doing a very nice job. Going forward, adding the numbers, also in terms of defense, adding the numbers to the rest defense. Steve. Hata Jabolo, every time, if you leave him, you will. I give credit to Skugun also for closing him, because once you leave him, he will kill you. Another player, which maybe was a contender of the man of the match, Allende, Marcelo Allende mfethu makata selula mfethu ayalazi ibhola lengwenya. And sometimes if you check many games, they don't mark him, and I don't know why. Even today he was left free.
Why is that?
I don't know. But again, he's another silent killer at Mamelodi Sundowns, who in the game you won't see, but the moment you see him, you're gonna die, Steve. So we accept, we move on, and we say, who's next? Milford, we are coming for you.
Mama Tati.
We are coming for you.
Adi mfanaga.